feel the same. I smile in public but alone